So you had your home launch party, and now it is time to enter those orders. So I'm going to show you real quick how to navigate the workstation and how to enter your orders in. You'll log in using your login information. You'll see the tabs on the top. You'll go to orders. You're going to go to create a party. And we'll just name it Katie's launch party. Because this is your launch party. This is for you. And you'll hit continue. And you're going to follow the prompts. It'll say continue, continue. You'll follow the prompts. Maybe. You're always going to be the host. Always. Unless somebody else is hosting a party for you. So if your best friend Shannon is hosting the party, Shannon's name will be the host. So you're going to be the host for this. You're always going to want everything to ship to you. Unless your host is not local to you. If your host is not local to you, you'll want it to ship to her. You'll press save and continue. You're always going to want to make sure this is pressed yes. Would you like your party on your PWS? Yes. What does that mean? That means when people go to your personal website, they can shop a party. You always want to have an online link party open for your people to shop from. Why? When they order online, those orders will go towards host rewards for you. So you always want to make sure that this is pressed yes. You can put a title in there, write a little message, welcome to my launch party, la da 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 da, whatever you want to put. Then you'll hit next. You can put videos or images in there. You could put any specials that we have going on or your favorite warmer. Then you're going to choose your end date. Scentssy's automatically going to do 2 weeks out. You can change this. This is your launch party. So remember, you want this to close out before your 15th day so you can potentially earn Shooting Star. So you're going to go to continue. This is the party link. So when I said in the earlier video announcing your business on Facebook, announcing that you've become a consultant, this is the link that you're going to want to share. You'll hit copy link and it'll copy this URL. It's important that people order from this party so you can get those host rewards. If they don't order through a party, they don't count towards host rewards. And we all about that free and half off life. So you're going to go to party orders. This is where you're going to start entering orders. It's very important at the top of everybody's order form that you're collecting all of their information, their name, their address, their email address, their phone number. Why? You want to be able to follow up with these people. We'll talk about follow-ups in the next video, but it's important that you follow up with these people and take very good care of them so that way they will become your forever customer, potential host, and maybe even join you one day. So you're going to put their name right here. I'm just going to put my name. As you can see, my information is already in here. Scentsy will save all of your customers' information for you. So make sure you're gathering all that information. So I'm going to say save and add to cart. So this is my cart. This is my order. Let's say I ordered 6 Scentsy bars. I'm going to go right here and I'm going to type in 6 Scentsy bars. I swear I know how to spell y'all. 6 Scentsy bars. So you will see our bundles will pop up for you. If you put them in individually, the system is not automatically going to bundle. So if people order the bundle and saves, you want to make sure that you're putting them in as bundle and save so that way they get that discount. So let's just say Luna is my most favorite scent in the world. So let's go with Luna. So we're going to build my own bundle. All I have to do is type in Luna and it'll pop up. So I'm going to order 6 bars. Let's just go with it right for the video. 6 Scentsy bars for me. because Luna is life. Then you're going to go to add another guest. So what did your second guest get? I'm just going to pick anybody and put them up here. So you'll get the gist. You'll want to put in each person's stuff individually. So for the sake of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and make Shannon order a whole bunch of stuff. The party minimum is $200. You will not be able to click this party until it hits the $200 minimum. So you want to make sure you hit 200. Why? Because you get those host rewards. Host rewards start at 200. Free shipping starts at 500. You want to aim for the higher tier. 500 is the largest tier, and you get 15% for host credits, which I will show you in a second. Each guest will pay 5% shipping if the party is less than 500. So we are just going to load Shannon up with a whole bunch of stuff for the sake of this video, okay? We're going to make her order like $500 worth of stuff. Sound good? Sound good. Maybe. So you'll see there are alphabetical order where you can just put stuff in. Do a little garden. She loves Luna too, so we'll give her 7 Luna. The system is very, very smart. So this is going to calculate the tax for you. Tax is going to be based on the shipping location. So mine is 6.75 where I live. That's not necessarily where it's going to be for everybody. So you want to make sure if your host is out of state that you're looking at her tax rate, and you can look that up in Google. Just simply Google tax rate for zip code, da-da-da-da-da. Since Shannon is buying a whole lot of stuff. Okay, she is a problem. She all the Scentsy things. And she's going to get a lot of Luna too, because Luna is what? Life. See, losing my train of thought. So, you're going to see that as you put your orders in, once you hit 200, your host rewards are going to go up. So, let's see what our host rewards are. So, say this is my launch party. At the very, very top, you're going to see my host rewards. Party summary. 736 PRV. So, PRV is the retail volume. That is going to be before taxes. That is what your party base is going to be. So say you get $100 in orders with tax. That's not going to be your PRV. Your PRV is going to be based on the items PRV before taxes. The items value before taxes. So see right here. I have 3 half-offs and all of this credit. Say this is my launch party, my home launch party. Number 1, I've hit shooting star. When I submit this, I've already hit shooting star. And I'm so close to my very first pay raise, certified. I'm only $250 away. Say I booked a party or 2 off of my home launch party. I will be earning my very, very first promotion, certified. So you'll see here, I have 3 half-offs and host credits. And there's something called a perpetual party reward. One of these will be assigned at every single party. Once your party hits the 200 minimum, you get a perpetual party reward to spend how you want it. I personally always give my host a gift, and I use the perpetual party reward to pay for it. Perpetual party reward is just an extra half-off item. You can use this to build stock to get samples. You can use this any way you want. But for this video's sake, let's say this is my home launch party. I have $110 worth of stuff. I can get some wax to make samples with, some counter cleans, some soak, whatever I want, scent circles. All of this is mine to use that I can invest to put right back into my business. So you're going to want to claim all of your host rewards before you even close this party out. If you don't use them, they go away. You cannot save host rewards. So you're going to want to go ahead and put in all of your host rewards, host credits, and host half offs before you close this out. So let's go to the checkout. That's just saying it's $5 if I don't use the half off. So you always want to use a half off. Get a bulb, get a scent circle, get something cheap. Use your half offs before you close this party out. So let's see. We're going to get to the payment screen. You can collect checks or cash or credit card. If you collect checks or cash, you'll want to deposit that into your bank account so that you can use your debit card. Or you can type in their credit card information that you'll see here. You'll type in all their information. If you have product credit, so let's say that you've done this for a while and you hit Sensational Start Level 3. You had $225 in free stuff. You'll hit this drop down and you'll see where it says product credit. It's a big deal. That's why you want to rack up on that product credit and get some free stuff. So you'll simply check the name and apply their payment. Once you're done putting in all the payment, you're going to submit this order. That's your very, very, very first order. Congratulations. Your launch party was a success. You hit shooting star and you're almost to certified, your very, very first promotion. So you've already submitted your order, right? So now you want to know when it comes. So you're going to go back to your orders tab and you'll go to history. What the status is of your order. So you'll see where it says posted, posted, posted. That means it hasn't shipped yet. You'll see shipped right here when it has shipped, and it'll give you a tracking so you can track it and let your customers know when your stuff will be here. This is putting in orders. You're going to use this tab frequently. Get used to this tab. Get comfortable with it. The news tab, that's where you're going to go for all the updates. You want to check that news tab every single day. That is like your time card. Stay on the know. Don't just wait for somebody to post it on the team page or you see it scrolling through Facebook. Keep a check on this. At least check it once a day. So your launch party is complete. Now what? Stay tuned for the next video.